So as you could probably guess, today I'm gonna be doing a 360 wave self-cut, man. We are gonna be cutting our wolf. You don't wanna go too crazy. I'll always recommend your first wolf, your first time really trying to wolf, just go for about 6 weeks and cut it off. So I did between 6 to 8. I know that for a fact. So now we're about to just get right into the cut. So if you get any value out of this video, always be sure to like, share, and subscribe. This is how we're looking, man. This is what we are about to try. I want to sell this video as if this is a legit tutorial, but I can give some tips along the way for anyone who wants to self-cut or nervous about self-cutting, because I know it could be nerve-wracking and all that. First thing you want to do when you come into self-cutting, man, always comb. You want to comb, you're always going to go with the grain. With the grain means following your pattern, just like how I'm combing right here. You just want to go with the grain, just like you would be brushing. I don't got no crazy clippers. These are just some professional hair clippers. You're probably not gonna be able to make it look like the barbershop, but at the end of the day, bro, if you could do enough to where you could look decent, you know what I'm saying, and save money, why not? To find your guard, your number 2 guard. And this right here is why you never gotta be scared of self-cutting, because this is gonna protect you from messing up your hair anyway. You follow the guard, whatever one you want to do. They're all labeled 1, 2, 3. Like, this is all the way open and closed. When it's all the way closed, it's just gonna take off more. So you want it. If you want less, you want more, boom. And then it just goes based on the guard. So I try to start like right at the top and go all around and then come back around, if that makes sense. But let's do it. Let me see if I can show you. Actually don't like that. So we are gonna go down a lot lower than that, because I feel like much ain't come off. This is actually lower than I wanted, but it's all good. Get a little brush session in. And that's the thing. Another tip, like, my line ain't gonna be the sharpest, but you see I threw a little line in there, dog. What you don't want to do is you don't want to try to perfect it, because when you try to perfect it, that's when you're gonna mess it up, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I barely tap it because I'm scared, but definitely not the greatest. That's why I said I didn't want to sell this like it was a perfect tutorial, dog. I'm just showing y'all how I be thugging it, keep it real. You know what I'm saying? Like, share, and subscribe, just because I'm keeping it funky. You know what I'm saying? I tap it a little bit, just a little bit. You know you see it though. You just see note that on the side. Got it a little bit. Got it a little bit. But you see what I'm saying, bro? You just do what you can, bro. Like, just do what you can with it. Usually start with the back, because the back's really more annoying. But since I was just on a roll, I was just like, whatever. And we dived into it. But I usually start with the back. Take down that bulk in the back. Nothing crazy with this beard, just tame it up a little bit. At the end of it, I just go through it again just to make sure it's all smooth. I ain't a barber, but you see what I'm saying? Like, I can pop out like this. It's doable. You feel me? I can unwrap, feel a little confident. I'm gonna get a little alcohol pad, you feel me? You already know, go over everything you did. And as soon as you do that, man, you get to brushing, dog. All right, man, so go ahead and rate the cut. Go easy on your boy, man. Go easy. If you got any value out of this video, always be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.